Hey everyone, so I'm back again with a new video and I guess a new challenge for myself. I'm going to do the Park Min Young 3-day apple challenge. Not challenge, diet. So how it works. For the next 3 days I can only eat apples, unlimited, drink only water, but cannot eat after 7 p.m. For those of you who are wondering who Park Min Young is, she's a famous South Korean actress. She does a lot of romantic comedy. She's really good. I love her work. But anyways, so for this plan, it's not meant to be used long term. It's a one food diet, so it could be really harmful to your body. So I do not recommend this to anyone. I'm just doing this to feed my curiosity and to see how my body changes within the next 3 days. So yeah, wish me luck and we'll see how it goes. Peace. So today's day 1 and it's around 1 p.m. right now because I woke up late. So first meal, apple. Alright guys, so day 1 has ended and today I had 5 apples and mostly water. I've also did some exercise. I did 20 crunches, 30-second plank, and 20 modified push-ups. So the exercise is not included into the original diet plan, but I decided to include it now. But anyways, I feel good. I feel fine. So I'll see you tomorrow, day 2. Alright, day 2. So today I had 4 apples and mostly water. Today was okay. I didn't feel like I was weak. My energy level was the same. I slept the same. My mood was the same. I wasn't irritated or anything. I feel okay. The only thing was just like random cravings, like for fried chicken or for a bag of ketchup chip. But going window shopping easily took my mind off of that, or even watching my K-dramas. Bowel movement, usually I get 2 to 3 bowel movement a day. Now it's down to 1, I guess because I'm eating so little. Yeah, that's it. So we'll see what tomorrow brings. 3rd day. Peace. Alright people, it's day 3. I woke up feeling like shit, no energy, and I felt like I was getting a fever. So I quickly went downstairs, ate an apple, drank lots of water, and ate a B12 supplement. It's been 15 minutes after and I feel fine now. So I'm soon gonna weigh myself and take pictures and videos. We'll see the results, and then I'm gonna go buy KFC. Bye. wise, I lost 4 pounds. I was 102, now I'm 98. Skin wise, my skin did get clearer, but it also got more dull. I guess I wasn't getting enough nutrients. Bowel movement. I've been going to the washroom 3 to 4 times before. Now I'm going once a day, but that's because I'm not eating as much. I notice when I read the forums, other people are saying they go like a lot and it's diarrhea, but that never happened to me. Body wise, I did notice my tummy did lose fat. Energy wise, first 2 days was fine. Third day, it was horrible. I woke up, felt tired, felt feverish, felt dehydrated, so I had to quickly go downstairs, took a B12 supplement, ate an apple, and drank lots of water. 15 minutes after, I felt fine. Hair wise, I'm fine. I'm not losing any hair. I do notice I get more cold during this diet. I did get more cold, like my feet and hand was freezing. All in all, it was okay. In the end, I do not recommend this diet to anyone. It is very unhealthy and it's not meant to be used long term. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.